about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Is up, everyone? Having a hard time with this thing. What is up, everyone? I am here to quickly, haven't given you an update recently on my book. It is magically May. So I have May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I have 5, 6, 7. I have about 7 months to complete a book. So some of you have been asking, where am I in the process? So I am currently on my 7th or 8th edit or draft. I feel like we still have at least 7 or 8 or 9 or even 10 more of those before it's finalized. I did get some good news yesterday that I will be able to share my manuscript with another author who is pretty well known, so that's super exciting. Right now, just excited about the process. One of the things that I noticed, and I just had a chance to look back through my notebook, is that a lot of writers, I find myself doing the same thing that I'm asking my students to do when they're creating stories, which is awesome. I'm asking myself to create story mountains, to develop a character, or to remind myself about a problem in the story and making my story come to an end. And is this the right word to use? Is this the right structure to use when I'm writing? And I think it's a great process to share with my kids as well, that I'm actually doing the same thing that I asked you to do. That's kind of it. That's kind of where I'm at. Super excited to again get into the illustrations. That is another part of this process that I have no idea how to even start, but I will be seeking a mentor for that and looking online, using YouTube to figure out a way to start that process. That's it for today. I will see you tomorrow in regards to my surgery and how am I feeling. Feeling a lot better today. 2 doctor's appointments next week. We'll see what happens. I'm out. Peace.